Morning. I already did 3 without y'all. I'm sorry. I got bored. So I did Spy, just because the range is boring and it's almost the same numbers as yesterday. UPS is given me by Chef and chat. Shout out to Chef. Thank you for that. They had a tight range past couple days. I'll show you exactly why I marked what I marked. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days doing nothing after a big move up. So you may see another explosion. You may see a fail here, but I think we move up again. You may even see it go to like 119 again. And then now I'm on Nvidia, which I already did as well. I did the tight pre-market range as well as just marking the only high, which is the all-time high. I think it pops this and retests this. You'll definitely see it 405, 410. It falls from this. You'll probably see it head more lower towards yesterday's pre-market, lower 390s. But I don't think Nvidia will fall that hard today at all. I think a lot of things are going to rise today. A lot of more bullish news than anything right now. I think it's only fair we do square again. Considering this one keeps... Oh, no, let's go through the Bs first. Clear drawing set. All I did was look at the right. All I did was mark this because I liked it right here. Just under the pre-market. And then I marked this because it was the pre-market high twice. So that's kind of cool. Which ended up landing as support from yesterday. Almost support from that day. Support from that day. Support from that day. So if this support can turn resistance, we'll make a change in trend. If we can break this, this will just be considered another lower high like all these other days. Which is what I think we'll do. And then beyond. Let's go ahead and... Wow, that's clean. Popped out of the support right there. Fell out, came back in, squeezed, popped, caught support, popped. Little flag there. Let's clear this. I just like to scroll out, get the bigger picture out of the way, cut the sides off, get the extras out, and then zoom in. Damn, look at that tight pre-market. I could almost just do off the pre-market. Let's just do that. Look how tight that is. It's about $1. I'm going to mark this as a target. It's the next day's high. That'd be the other target for the blow. go to a bank now. Ooh, bank bearish. Tight pre-market range. I like that. We're just going to raise this one a little bit because I like this consolidation here. Which I promise if I extend these. Right there. Resistance, 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 support. So this pre-market range especially is very important because it also lines up with a very important line over a bigger time frame. So let's be very cautious on Bank of America today. We got the usual 6 or usual 5 out of the way. Let's do the square again like we always do. And then we're going to do snap, surprisingly. I'm going to do square and snap. Damn, that's so nuts, dude. This thing's going to run. That is so nuts. Oh, I guess let me mark what time frame it's on. I never type the exact number, by the way, but I am on this case because that is the high. To break anywhere high, it's going to need to break that. It breaks that and 130. This thing could easily jump another $5-10 again, like it's been doing. People are playing the psychological whole number game on this one right now. I really do think this thing could run if it I don't know if I'll set a target for the break below because I'm not. I'll say 124.50. I really do think this thing's just gonna run again though. And then snap. Shout out my boy Hammered Toe. My boy Hammered Toe, my one-on-one student from last week, called this out all by himself and played it. But he entered. So let's mark our levels. So yesterday when he played, all he did was mark the pre-market high and low, and he waited for a confirmation, which I think he got about right here. About, what did he say? Yeah, 24.10 is where he entered. So he entered right there. So he played for the pre-market high. It bull flagged on the 5 minute, or on the 5 minute. Bull flagged above the 5 minute. Rising volume. So he got in about 24.10, and he held all the way until over $1 later. And on Snap, that's a really big play. For options, it's amazing. Even if he would have just sold here, that would have been amazing. But I think he sold more closer to the top, which is good. You don't want to be greedy. You don't want to catch the entire move. You just want to catch the move. So you'll probably see me add Snap a lot more. I should have already been doing it for a few weeks because it actually does have a pretty beautiful pre-market that can lead to amazing plays, and the premium is very cheap. So safe for a lot of beginners and people who aren't used to trading options so much. And that's all the strategy. That's literally all I taught him last week, and he started kicking ass. He just needed that extra guidance, that extra push with him. Really smart guy. See, this one was only about a 33-cent range. Today we have a 69. Which actually the pre-market's like this big, but I'm trying to find a better line than this. I kind of want to go from here, just because you have this support, this resistance before that extended hours came through, and then it kind of sat on there. So I'm probably going to use 24.95 as the line. Let's just say 90. Actually, that'll probably be the list. I just wanted to add that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's fine. See, I've been trying to throw in these kind of stocks more, because all three of these are cheaper premium. Right now, this one's picking up because, of course, it's been flying. But it still has cheaper premium. Beyond, you guys can easily play that. Don't forget we have same-day SPY contracts today. Play that accordingly. UPS, that's a side play Chef gave me. Shout out Chef. Type pre-market, one of my favorites on one of my favorite tickers. BA. Yeah, this is a pretty solid list, I think. Let's send this to my friend real quick. What are you guys in the stream going to be watching today? If you're in my chat, make sure to go check Patterns chat. Should be another upload very soon. Today. Doing it once a day for about a month. AAL, Walmart, Disney. Oh, I forgot I have swings. Okay, QCOM didn't do shit. Walmart did do shit. Okay, cool. Maybe I will get to sell it today, maybe not. I'll probably end up holding that one today. See how big this Walmart run is. Walgreens stock rises. Plans on to open 700 primary care practices. That's big. This is kind of big. I saw this yesterday. Walmart shares gained nearly 7% in Tuesday's trading after a report late in the trading session said that the retailer was prepared to launch its own version of Amazon.com Prime membership. Which, if anyone could do it, I said this yesterday, if anyone could do anything like Amazon, it would be Walmart. Those people are some of the richest people in the world. They have power, they have money, and they got the people, and they got the stores, they got the land, they got the retail. They could literally do what Amazon does. They aren't going to be as successful as them ever, or at least for now, in my opinion. But if anyone was to even take this step, it would be them. I don't think anyone else could even take that step. That's pretty big. Tuesday, that Walmart expects to launch a membership plan this month that will provide same-day delivery for groceries and some other items, discounted fuel at Walmart gas stations, which they already do that, and early access to some deals. They already do that. The article said that Walmart plans to change $98 a year for a Walmart Plus subscription less than $119 than the $119 Amazon charges for an annual Prime subscription, based on multiple unnamed sources. Walmart stock jumped immediately after the report was published and closed the day's session up 6.8% at $126.95. Honestly, you might see Walmart go towards 150 before you see it go towards 100. This news alone makes it a whole other demon. It's not just a safe growth stock anymore. This is one that's going to have aggressive growth if this all goes through correctly and they do this right. Oh, don't get me wrong, guys. Their service will be shit compared to Amazon at the very beginning. Don't think it'll be good, but it'll definitely be worth something if they do it the right way. I definitely think they could do it. All right, let's go check out futures. Kind of broke trend a little. Still above this gap though, which I like that. I don't like that it's if it falls under that gap, it has a chance of going right back and testing the line again. Let's remove that line. Yeah, that's pretty big news for Walmart, in my opinion. Big future squeeze. I like the jump rope information there. Jump rope information, resistance. Those are really big lines on futures right now. 31.79, 31.19, 31.20 pretty much. Those are possible trend reversal spots. $98 a year. Amazon is $120 a year, $60 a year if you're a student. Yeah, I'm sure Walmart's just gonna stick to that $99 a month stuff so they can slightly undercut Amazon. Some people will switch just on that information, surprisingly, but $100 a year ain't that bad for that kind of service. Now the question is, are people gonna want that kind of service from Walmart? All right. Let me post the list, and then I think I'll end the stream there. I'm just kind of looking over a few messages. Ooh, it's orange today. Hell yeah. Throw me a comment, by the way, if you guys think doing review videos again would help anyone. Even if it just helps 5 people, I'm cool with it. Doesn't Walmart have free shipping now? I'm not 100% sure. I don't really pay attention to Walmart a whole lot. I just started to recently because of the Amazon news, and then had a few people throw it on my little alerted sections. I've always looked at Walmart as like another KO, HD, CAT. You know, I just see it as like a good safe growth stock over a long period of time. But this will now make it a safe aggressive stock to grow over time if it does all that correctly. Took many years for Amazon to be successful. I'll definitely do the review videos again. They were just getting overlooked, so that's why you didn't see me doing them so much. It was really clouding my channel, so it's hard for people to find the other videos. But I'll probably keep doing them and throw them into the playlist. Maybe make some of them unlisted over time as I make more and more of them, but I'll definitely have them on a playlist for anyone over time. But I think that's all for this stream, guys. Today, actually, it's Wednesday. We have Premium Access Wednesday, so this is where all my premium members in chat get to talk with us. Or they don't get to talk, but they get to hear us and talk and channel and all that stuff. But, what was I going to say? Oh, if you're not a premium member, there's a really nice deal going on right now where you get the guide for free and 20% off every single payment. So if you're a monthly member, you should really be thinking about going up to premium because there's a lot of extra things. You get an extra YouTube playlist full of extra videos that I've done, as well as the Keys channel. Leave the review videos private and just post them in a channel or something. That's an idea. I could just leave them in that results channel in chat, and I'll name it to reviews. We'll call it the Day Trading Watch List Review or something. Alright, bet. I think that's a good plan, guys. I don't know if I'll do one today, but we'll see if I start doing them again this week. But definitely be looking out for them. Because I did want to bring them back, but they were overlooked a lot. There's so many people in chat, which I know, everyone learns at their own pace, but don't go freaking trade some bullshit play that no one's even talking about in chat, and don't say, I think it's going up, and then get into play, lose, and then force a swing or something. You're hurting yourself because you're not learning and you're losing. At least when you play these lists or this system, you're learning even when you lose. So, because it does take losing to learn. You don't just learn from just winning. But I'll see you guys in the premium access chat if you're a premium guy. If not, then I will see you tomorrow in the other voice channel. Either way, you guys have my DMs. If you need anything, please hit me up. I've been helping people day in, day out. Please hit me up. I'm always feel free to help. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Thanks for being here, boys and gals.